Dr. Joseph Murphy believed that the future of an individual's success primarily relies on their self-perception or self-image. Understanding the psychological and physiological aspects of one's identity can determine whether one achieves their goals or faces failure, find happiness or bitterness, and thrive or merely survive. Discovering one's true self has the potential to rescue a declining financial situation, revive a faltering career, mend broken relationships, and elevate a mediocre existence to a remarkable life on a broader scale. Discovering the true self marks the distinction between absolute freedom and being confined by negative patterns of behavior. By gaining a deep understanding of our self-image and consciously reshaping it to align with our aspirations, we cultivate immense confidence and empowerment to actively shape our desired reality. In this video, we are going to dive into this concept and explore the teachings of Dr. Joseph Murphy on how to discover and embody the true self, and how discovering the true self helps to manifest desires. This is a life-changing video, so make sure to watch it till the end, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you are visiting it for the first time. So let's get started. Dr. Joseph Murphy says that each individual carries within them a cognitive map or a mental image of themselves that is completely malleable if it no longer aligns with the ideal self-image they wish to uphold and embody. This self-image represents our perception of the kind of person we believe ourselves to be. It dictates our identity to ourselves and the external world. This self-image is constructed based on our unconscious beliefs about ourselves, which have been shaped by past experiences, both successes and failures, discomforts and triumphs, as well as the way others have reacted to us, particularly during early childhood. Once a notion or belief about ourselves becomes part of this mental picture, it becomes our truth. We seldom question its validity and proceed to live it out as if it were an absolute reality in the movie of our lives. Consequently, our self-image governs what we can or cannot achieve, what we perceive as challenging or effortless, and even the responses we receive from others. In essence, all our actions, emotions, behaviors, and abilities consistently align with our self-image, without exception. We will invariably behave by the type of person we perceive ourselves to be. Moreover, we simply cannot act differently unless we reevaluate and modify our internal self-image. For instance, an individual who identifies themselves as impoverished will find ways to remain in a state of poverty despite their good intentions. Someone who strongly believes they are always victims will invariably encounter circumstances that validate their sense of suffering. A person who constantly sees themselves as ill will struggle to find a remedy for their ailments. This equation applies to any specific aspect of life, such as weight loss, relationships, career, and so on. The consequences of our self-perceptions are universal and stem from deep-rooted belief systems. The self-image serves as a conclusion and a foundation upon which our entire personality, behavior, and circumstances are built. Consequently, our experiences and manifestations are compelled to confirm and reinforce our self-images, whether they indicate some form of lack or benefit. Whatever proves challenging for an individual, whatever frustrations they face in life, external conditions tend to validate and strengthen those aspects based on natural laws. Conversely, whatever a person deems effortless or holds a belief in as easy, painless, and unchallenging is also fortified and supported by the same laws. The prevailing reality is contingent on fixed and sometimes concealed thought patterns. Altering these patterns can lead to new experiences and drastically different outcomes. The crucial point to recognize about self-image is that it can be changed once we identify the underlying cause of our discomfort. One of the reasons why people struggle to transform their reality is because they exert all their efforts trying to manipulate external circumstances rather than focusing on their inner selves, where the true power of manifestation lies. From a physical standpoint, the human body consists of trillions of cells that are constantly being replaced by new, youthful cells. Scientific research indicates that most cells in the human body regenerate within several years. This implies that you are essentially a different person today compared to several years ago. The majority of the cells that comprised your body in the past no longer exist. Fresh cells have taken their place, rendering you almost entirely new. This holds immense significance because each of your cells contains stored memories of your identity, experiences, and the entirety of your life. Some of these memories are passed on to succeeding generations of cells, which explains why you may appear similar, think alike, and engage in similar emotions and habitual patterns of behavior as you did several years ago. However, the profound realization is that you don't necessarily have to remain the same person if it no longer serves your desires. You have the power of choice. You can choose to be different. The power of choice brings about change, leading to observable transformations. The key lies in forging fresh, valuable, and empowering memories to guide your actions. It's akin to crafting a script for the cells in your body to enact, providing them with essential background information, impressions, memories, and instructions to pass on to future generations of cells. By altering these instructions, you effectively reshape the composition of your cells and your physical form. Furthermore, each cell within your body serves as a transmitter, emitting signals to manifest according to the given directives. This internal communication network allows cells to interact with one another and connect with the external world by sending and receiving signals. If we can successfully modify the instructions within ourselves, the possibilities become limitless. With new instructions rooted in fresh beliefs about our self-image, our cells can undergo transformation and emit the signals necessary to attract what we genuinely desire in life, based on our chosen self-image. The significance of this fact is immeasurable, as our beliefs are reinforced by our external environment. The body undergoes shaping and transformation when cells are provided with instructions to embark on a new journey of change. As cells possess the ability to transform the body in such profound ways, they must emit new signals in harmony with this transformation, creating circumstances that validate and align with the received instructions. There are no fixed rules dictating the time it takes for an individual to experience profound relief from external challenges. However, the subconscious mind, where beliefs are stored and through which cells receive instructions, requires appropriate language and repetition to respond to a new cue. Yet, many individuals mistakenly believe that the more severe the challenges or the longer they have endured a particular condition, the longer it will take to overcome it. This belief is one that most people should challenge, as it is far from the truth. As human beings, we are designed to learn swiftly. It is inherent to our nature. In fact, learning slowly is not within our capabilities. Consider the evidence that consistently achieving desired goals requires engaging in specific mental and physical behaviors consistently and predictably. Those who succeed tend to think in productive ways, embracing positive attitudes towards themselves, their lives, and their place in the universe. Consequently, when examining how people manifest their desired goals, certain patterns of thinking and behavior become evident. Consequently, the cells within their physical bodies perfectly align with their behavior and beliefs. You may know someone who effortlessly and consistently accomplishes their goals. The truth is, there are individuals who possess the ability to create their future with ease. However, if you were to inquire about their methods, they would likely struggle to provide detailed explanations. This is because, for most high achievers, the secret to their proficiency predominantly resides within the realm of the subconscious mind. To manifest the desired transformations in your life, it is vital to effectively communicate with your subconscious mind. Instead of relying on fear-based reactions and negative self-perceptions that hinder your progress, you must provide clear instructions on how you wish to think, feel, and act. A well-crafted objective or goal is one that appeals directly to your subconscious mind. Utilizing a language, it's important to note that the subconscious mind does not communicate through verbal language. Simply telling yourself that you no longer want certain responses, behaviors, or negative self-images won't bring about the desired change in your reactions. However, you can convey your desires to your brain by using its language, which comprises vivid, sensory-rich imagination coupled with intense emotional states. Here's the key. Your brain understands intentions through the language of imagery and emotions. As mentioned earlier, your self-image is constructed based on past experiences and beliefs, often rooted in early childhood. If you continue playing the same role you always have within the narrative of your life, it will be incredibly challenging to effect change without altering the script that your subconscious mind has ingrained and that influences your very cells. If you truly wish to transform your life, you must change the character you play, the movie you're in, and ultimately, your entire existence. This can be accomplished by following the steps of this exercise. Step 1. Define your desired self-image by researching individuals who possess the qualities you aspire to. Look for role models who embody the traits you wish to cultivate. Explore their stories, achievements, and characteristics that resonate with your aspirations. Find images or representations that vividly capture the essence of your desired self-image. Being specific and detailed in your research is important for effectively executing this technique. Step 2. Create a new script for yourself in a context where you struggled before, incorporating empowering information to modify your behavior. Identify a specific area of your life where you want to transform your self-image. For example, if you lack confidence in pursuing a desired career, rewrite the script with empowering beliefs and actions that align with your new self-image. Clearly define how you want to behave, think, and feel in this context. Envision yourself confidently taking steps towards your goals, overcoming challenges, and achieving success. Step 3. Visualize an imaginary scene with rich sensory details where an actor representing your new self-image performs magnificently. Close your eyes and immerse yourself in the mental theater of your mind. Imagine being the director of this scene, sitting in an auditorium with full control over the actors, setting, and unfolding events. Shift your focus to the upper right corner of the theater and visualize a stage where your customized scene will come to life. Step 4. Observe the actor's posture, attire, gestures, and mannerisms to ensure they convincingly embody your desired behavior. As the director of this scene, pay attention to the actor representing your new self-image. Observe how they carry themselves, the confidence in their posture, the way they dress, and the subtle cues that reflect the traits you aspire to embody. Ensure that the actor convincingly portrays your desired behavior, matching the script you have created. Step 5. Rehearse the scene until the behavior feels natural, intuitive, or genuinely embodied, practicing it regularly to reinforce your new self-image. Engage in this mental rehearsal exercise for at least 10 minutes per day, ideally once or twice a day. Each time you practice, imagine the scene unfolding multiple times, guiding the actor portraying your new self-image to exhibit complete mastery of the desired behavior. Feel the emotions associated with your new self-image and immerse yourself fully in the experience. As you continue to rehearse, the behavior will become more natural and leading to the desired outcomes in your real life. The crucial aspect for the effectiveness and speed of this exercise lies in crafting a remarkably vivid, intricate, and captivating representation of actually attaining your ultimate objective. How can you be certain of its efficacy? Consider this exercise as a mere illustration of what you have been subconsciously engaged in throughout the past, unconsciously imprinting your previous self-image and outcomes. You might observe that your behavioral responses have always occurred effortlessly and spontaneously. The truth is, there was a time when your responses didn't hinder the manifestation of your desires. So, how did you become so adept at embodying a self-image, engaging in behaviors, and emitting signals that result in undesirable outcomes, if that's what you're currently experiencing? Well, it's likely that as soon as uncomfortable emotions emerged and impeded the fulfillment of your desires, you started investing a significant amount of time and effort in preventing their recurrence. I hope I was able to provide a thorough study of Dr. Joseph Murphy's method of discovering your true inner self, as he was a great teacher and inspired millions of people around the world. If you want to express your thoughts and take part in the conversation, leave a comment below the video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell button for more entertaining, informative, and helpful videos about manifestation. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.